Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be putting up the Christmas tree and just going through all of the decor from last year to see what I'm going to keep. That way I know what to go out and buy, or if I even need to buy anything else, because I did do some shopping, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be buying some more stuff. But right now I'm just going to put up the Christmas tree and then go through all of these bins and, you know, show you guys what I'm going to be using for this year. And I think I'm going to go ahead and decorate the mantle as well, because I'm pretty sure I have everything I need for that. So I guess I can tackle that in this video as well. But you know, I figured I'll just go ahead and turn on the camera and record this process. And it's going to be pretty messy because this is a flocked tree and I do have a lot of like glitter decor. So I'm going to be doing some cleaning afterwards as well. And of course, I cannot do this without popping on a movie. I love watching like Christmas movies when I'm decorating for Christmas. And a new one just came out on Netflix, so I guess I can watch that. It's called The Holiday Calendar, and I love this actress. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch this.
George! You're home!
What's up?
When did you get back? Why didn't you text me?
Just got back just now.
I missed you, hug.
I miss you too.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go through these bins to see what all I'm gonna keep. I don't think I'm gonna use these here this year. I had these on the doors upstairs last year, but I don't think I'm gonna be, I don't know. I know I'm not gonna use them down here. Alright, so I have the ornaments. I'm definitely gonna be using these ornaments from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I have some stocking hangers. I only have 2, but I need to go out and get 2 more. So these are really nice. I'm gonna keep those because they're new and super cute. And then I have a ton of like Dollar Tree ornaments, but I'm gonna keep every single one that has like mirrors on it. Let me try to get it in view, but I don't think it's focusing. But yeah, these are like super cute. So oh, this one, yeah, this is cute. So I guess all of the glitter ornaments and mirrored ornaments I can keep because I'm going to be doing silver and gold. I have these big ornaments here from Bed Bath & Beyond. Got these last year after Christmas. Got them on sale for a pretty good price. Alright, so I have these really cute tree clips from Dollar Tree as well. I'm not going to decorate the tree right now, so I'm going to give myself about another week yeah, about another week before decorating the tree. I wanted to at least, you know, get the tree up since I was like, you know, in the mood and everything. I had a lot of people asking me like why I'm putting up my tree so early. And I don't mind, you know, seeing the tree up on Thanksgiving. I really don't mind. I actually like it. And I don't know, I just enjoy this time of the year. So I want to see it longer. All right, so I have everything out of the bins that I'm thinking about using for this year. Don't know if I'm gonna do the blue. I might just stick with gold and silver, but I wanted to at least get everything out and, you know, show you guys what I'm working with. So I just have the picks. I want to do picks at the top of the tree this year, but I also have this star in this bow. I did the bow last year, but I don't know. I'll just have to play around with it. That's what I'm going to be doing, just playing around with it, seeing what I like. Then I have this on the mantle right now. But this is what I'm working with. This is what I am working with. Not a lot, actually. It's just a bunch of ornaments. I don't really have a ton of decor to like put around the room. I mean, I have this stuff that I showed you guys in a haul video. So I can use this. Maybe I can put it on a coffee table. I don't know yet, but I have the deer. I was definitely thinking about putting a deer on the coffee table and then putting some on the mantle. So I have to get some more because this is all I have. Then I have the lights for outside. I don't really decorate outside. I just like to do the motion lights because I'm not trying to have my bill sky high decorating with lights all over the house. No, just plug this in and let it show pretty displays all around the house. So I'm gonna play around with that for outside. All right, so I know I said I was gonna decorate the mantle, but I think I'm gonna hold off on that because I'm not really feeling this garland. It's kind of small and I want something that's big. Like I want to make a statement with the fireplace. So I don't know, and I don't really have a lot of like shelf space on the mantle, so I can't put a lot of decor. Like I can probably put some deer. So that looks, I mean, that's cute, but I definitely need to get some more. Just have that hanging so far, but I need to get 2 more and maybe put it closer so that it can just hang in front of the fireplace. But I'm just gonna play around with this some more. Maybe do like a separate video for decorating the mantle, but at least I know what all I have and what all I still need to get. But that's gonna wrap up this video for now. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.